Hi boys and girls, happy story time. So today's story is something I found actually online. I thought it was really cute and I really liked the message, and I have a project or activity for you to do after the story. So it's a little quick, but I like it. All right, so this story is called Dotty the Dinosaur. This is Dotty. Dotty the dinosaur loves to eat things like lettuce and string beans. That's why the color of her skin was a lovely color green. One day, she saw something special. She saw some strawberries and ate them all day long. Later, Dotty turned bright red, they say. Well, Dotty just loved colors. So the next day, she found 2 bushes of, what do you think? Blueberries. Yeah, and she started eating them all day. What do you think happened to Dotty after she ate blueberries all day? Yeah, she started to turn the color blue. Dotty decided now which color she liked best. Do you think she liked green, red, or blue? Dotty couldn't decide, so she ate everything. She ate green beans, she ate strawberries, and blueberries. Yum! But guess what? Her skin became an awful mess. No. Dotty was now different. Dotty had dots. She had color everywhere. And Dotty was different, but she didn't care. Dotty loved her new skin. She liked it a lot. Now she was the only dinosaur that had polka dots. The end. So Dotty doesn't mind being different. It actually made her more beautiful, right? She's not the same like every dinosaur you think is like green or purple. She's got polka dots. I've never seen a polka dotted dinosaur in any book or pictures, have you? So my challenge for you today or tomorrow is to think of an animal and draw a picture of them the way that you think of them. So if it's a dinosaur and you think of them as being green, draw them green. If you think of a brown bear, you could draw a brown bear. Then I want you to draw that animal totally different. Any way that you like. You want to give that animal polka dots? Go for it. You want to give him stripes or stars or hearts? Have fun. So I want you to think of something different because it's beautiful to be different. We don't all have to be the same. And when you're different, you should show it off, right? So try to think of an animal and make them different. Maybe you can even draw a picture of you or go dress up as something wacky. Why not? Be different, be beautiful, be you. All right, guys, until next time, have a good night. Bye.